So
what do you think?
Yeah, there's a few places like turn one.
Yeah.
You brake really late.
Yeah.
Really hard. Then you carry on braking, then release the brake and turn in.
Yeah. More speed. Carrying more speed.
Yeah, carrying more speed. That's your weakest point. Because when you go in, you've taken off that much speed. When you turn right, you're on the middle of the road.
Yeah.
For the next king, you need to run out to the curb and bring it back in as well. So there's loads of room, and if there's any problem, you can run wide.
Yeah.
Just try and let the brake go a bit. Let it off a bit earlier. Trail it in a bit deeper. Run some more run speed around there. The first dip.
Yeah.
You go too tight into this, you turn in too early.
Okay.
Stay up a little bit, stay a little bit more middle of the road on the way in, keep out to the right, get the bike turned. You can drive down the hill there because you're a bit weak down the hill.
Okay.
So the first initial touch down the hill.
Yeah, because I do double shift.
Yeah.
Because of the wheelie thing.
And I've got a trap map, this one here.
Yeah.
You rush in really fast on the way in, rush in fast. But maybe that's a lot steeper than it looks. It's really steep. So at the apex, you've took too much speed off. You can get on the gas a bit earlier out there, turn a bit later.
Yeah.
Because once or twice you were up on the curb on the exit.
Yeah. One time.
Yeah.
I think it's my riding style because of the 1000 cc's. I'm used to having power from down to up.
Well, these have got plenty of power.
Yeah.
This here you need to go wider. Yeah, so in your head you think I will rush for this apex, but you lose all the speed on the way down here.
Oh, okay.
So if you go in here too early, your bike's facing this way, not facing this way.
Okay.
So you just, especially on the big bike, sacrifice a little bit of speed going in, slow down, get the bike nice and turned on your knee, then you can have a little down the hill, squirt down the hill. Here you're very good.
Yeah.
Good.
Is it really good?
It's good. It's
all
good
the
on the way
time
in.
when I'm on the bike, I was like, I don't know if it's
No,
right.
it's good on the way in, just on the way out.
Yeah.
You need to get it back a little bit more. Now you can use the curb on the exit. Coming out of here, use the curb on the inside, like top right does.
Yeah.
You can use a bit of curb on the inside.
Okay.
And then you can use a bit of curb on the outside. And now once you start and finish, you can use the curb. Get on the curb. We're carrying loads of speeds on these 5 blades. You just want to release the speed before on the curb.
Okay.
This is your weak point.
Okay, so I realized that because when I'm on the 3rd gear, I think I don't have power. Yeah. I was like, oh.
But you brake really late.
Yeah.
You brake really hard. But you're holding onto the brake too long.
Too long, yeah.
Let go of the brake. You're running with more speed. Running with more speed because in the middle of this straight, you're in the middle of the road. You go up and then down again. Make it one big start,
Okay.
Put into it, put into it.
Okay.
It's nice and neat, controlled, tidy. Next step is then you become easy to crash.
Okay.
Did a couple of wheelies behind you.
It's always good for YouTube.
On the start and finish here, I was right behind you like this. You were there.
That's perfect for YouTube.